Okay, let's get going here before everything's burnt. Oh, it burnt. This is
The
burning
cancel
now.
button's not.
No, this is burning now. Hang on.
Cancel.
Oh, my asparagus is burning. Uh-oh.
Everything went from nothing to chaos.
Okay, hang on. I'm going to put this on the plate.
My name is Kara, and I might actually be the worst cook in the world.
Wild child, fire starter.
It drives my older sister crazy because she actually is a good cook. So I decided to torture her by attempting to make meals that she plans. I don't know anything about the dish until she reveals it to me right before I'm about to start cooking. She isn't supposed to help me, and I don't get a recipe or any instructions, so sometimes I have to call for backup. Welcome to Kara's Kitchen.
I was made for this. Yeah, yeah. I was made for this. I was made for this.
Oh, I'm scared of
What
this
is it?
one. We don't know yet. Isn't that a sport? It's a croquet madam with
Madam?
asparagus and hollandaise.
Madam, isn't that what they do with that
Yeah.
thing? Crochet, madame. Madame? You're the madame. It's crochet. Crochet, croquet. Croca, madam. Croquet.
Eggs?
What do you want me to do? Crack these?
I'll tell you. Hang on. Honey ham? Anybody want a sandwich?
Yeah, I do.
Baby dill?
Bill.
This is the lady croquet with hollandaise and asparagus. Just put it all in the pan.
Hey Siri, what is...
No cheating!
If I don't help you, I don't know what to tell you.
Okay, well, let's just make it.
A croque, madame, not
Oh.
a croquet, madame,
Croque.
is a.
Not the croque, the madame.
It's a French sandwich
Oh, sandwich.
served at brunch time with a bechamel or a mornay sauce.
What kind of knife do you want? A big one, a bigger one, a long one?
I don't know. This would go on the side, as a side dish with the hollandaise on it.
Yeah, but we need to
I
make
think-
the bullshit sauce. What's it called?
You can make a bechamel or a mornay.
Bechamel.
Mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise?
No.
Mayonnaise or bullshit sauce?
Okay.
Let me just tell you the ingredients.
Okay, the ingredients fine.
Butter.
Oh, we need to have our wine. So today's pairing, suggested wine pairing from Adventures, is a Pinot Noir, but it's like 12:30 and I don't feel like having red, so I'm just gonna drink a white or a sparkling wine. Cheersies. I gave you enough.
Okay, so what you're gonna need for your bechamel or your mornay.
Parmigiano.
So what am I doing?
You're gonna
So
need
for nothing.
Butter.
flour.
Oh, you won't come on.
Well, the other side opens. Do you not know what a lazy Laronda is? What are they called?
Oh, lazy Susan?
Yeah.
Is this butter or is this sugar? I mean, flour.
That's
I mean.
definitely not butter. I know
I mean,
that.
sugar. I mean, flour.
It turns.
Well, is
Turning
this
Tina.
Oh, yeah,
You
yeah.
also need whole milk. There's nutmeg in the spice drawer.
Put the bullshit sauce together.
That.
That's a sauce.
No, there's.
That's just a heart attack.
No,
And then-
there's flour.
You will need bread. Yes. A small bit of Dijon. You need ham, Gruyere, cheese.
Cheese, Gruyere? Or Gruyere? Or Gruyere?
Get her, Mo.
Get them. Ooh, it's smelling good. Can I have a piece of that?
No, not yet.
How come you don't have Grey Poupon?
You need eggs, lemon juice,
Don't take an egg out of there. It's going to roll on the ground and break.
Why?
Because of gravity. Cayenne pepper?
cayenne pepper.
I cayenne did not find it. We're positive that we have cayenne pepper, right?
You should have cayenne pepper. If not, it's not a big deal.
Cayenne, you feel the love tonight.
Whoopsie.
If this is a sandwich, maybe it's like a, what's the breakfast sandwich with the egg on top? With the sauce.
Eggs Benedict.
Because otherwise it's just a piece of bread with
Okay,
honey
so bread.
ham. That doesn't seem like a sandwich to me.
You need an egg on here, otherwise it's going to be just this, and
That's
this.
what I was trying to
Might be a
say.
bit boring. Okay, wait, this is French, right?
Yeah, so they were like,
Oh, they gotta have an egg on it then, because they like their eggs in French. France.
like their eggs in French but not in English.
Cheers. So what do you want me to do?
Well,
Cut the ham?
I don't think you cut the ham.
Yeah, well, it's too big for the bread, isn't it? You're going to cut it in half.
Just fold it.
Yeah, but you have to think this is supposed to be a fancy restaurant, right?
Yeah, they roll, fold, do all sorts of shit.
Can I have a piece?
Why don't we put the ingredients together for the sauce? I feel like you have to heat that. Let's put that into a pot then.
But then you also have to make the hollandaise at some point.
Yeah, but that goes in a pot too.
Yeah, so we need 2 pots.
Okay, 2 pots. Little ones work. It's only 2 people.
Yeah, just
Right?
as an idea, do you do one sauce and I do the other sauce or something?
I don't think this is a divide and conquer kind of show.
Well, I gotta do something. Otherwise, I'm just a pretty face. I don't like my hat.
Where's the one with the circles? I saw Mom use a circle thing.
My heart is there.
Your heart? Oh, don't worry about that. Well, I thought you wanted to make the sauce over there first.
Yeah, but
Yeah, but
is it called poaching the eggs?
I would fry mine if it was me. Hey, why don't we do one of each and see which one turns out better? That'd be cool.
It's not a competition. Let's put some milk in.
Put some milk in your wine. See what that tastes like.
I am horrible.
It's okay. Put some milk in that some bitch. Heat it up. No, cheese first, maybe.
No, cheese last. Cheese will
No,
stick.
cheese got milk. This is good, yeah?
Hot milk coming up.
Oops.
Let's toast that bread.
No. What are you doing?
There was nutmeg by the sauce. It's supposed to go in there.
Okay, so that's melting, and you put the nutmegger in there.
You get a veto. You can use it if you
Can I
want.
use it? The worst is this sauce needs to go in the garbage.
Why?
Okay.
Because you need a frying pan, not a pot, and you need to melt the butter and flour together and stir it. Then add the milk and cheese and a dash of nutmeg.
Oh, so we're making what do they call that? A roux or something like that?
Bingo.
Bingo. B-I-N-G-O.
Okay, you can grade this because I hate that job.
Can he grate it or can he grate it?
Grade it. A+. Okay. Now, 1, 2, sandwich, 3, 4. And we'll do open face. It's fancy.
Especially if you're throwing an egg on top
That's what I mean.
or something. Is there an egg in this one?
I don't know. Oh, did I put it all back? What's happening?
I'm having a heart attack. What's happening?
Oh, no, wait a minute. Shit. I almost forgot. You gotta put the flour in first. You gotta make a roux.
Do you think we use one of these?
For what?
Dusty, the flour?
No.
You're really dying to put that cheese in there. Okay, well, if you have to do it, put it in.
Oh, it's looking good, man. So let's take that off the burner.
I don't think that's done.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, now we need to make a hollandaise.
What you're talking about now and doing with the hollandaise is gonna be an arrestable offense.
Well, no, I thought we just put hollandaise. You just put butter. Did you want to use your Mayday? Well, this is March, so it's gonna be a March day instead of a Mayday.
We're going to use the Mayday for one thing. It's either the sandwich or the hollandaise. Because we don't know if even egg goes in hollandaise. I don't think it's just butter and lemon juice. Call me crazy.
Okay, crazy.
Okay, we'll use the Mayday for the hollandaise.
Thank you. You need a double boiler. You cannot put it directly into a pot. That will scramble the eggs.
Okay, so she said egg yolk, butter.
Use a lemon, and you need a salt.
You need a salt.
Oh no, wrong way.
Nope. I think, wait.
Oh, that's no yolk.
Is that supposed to be a joke? Where's my bowl? Oh, it's in front of me.
Here. Kind of looks like a couple eyes there, doesn't it?
Boobs.
Or boobs. I think most chefs would be a little bit scared. Oh, hey, wait a minute. Hollandaise. How are we going to thicken it? We're going to need some flour, too.
No, there's no flour in hollandaise.
Oh, ooh, that's not looking so good. Why is it all lumpy?
You just scrambled your eggs.
Well, I mean, I'd still eat it.
Ooh, that's chunky.
I put that on the sandwich.
Well, you're
Butter
going to
and
put
egg.
that in your sandwich.
Maybe it wasn't supposed to be hot, like boiling.
Oh. I've never made homemade hollandaise. I just bought the packages. And now I know why. I should have brought some backup.
This, by the way, is disgusting.
Oh, that looks like paste. That looks like glue now.
Yeah, I told you it was not done.
Now it got all lumpy because it's been too long.
That's what she said.
We could use that for brick mortar. I'm getting starving here. I'm gonna eat this shit anyway. Lumpy or no lumpy.
Kara, get out of there.
Are you ready? Are we doing the eggs or we gotta do the asparagus
We have to
first.
redo the hollandaise.
No.
And that.
No, this is fine. This is gonna be good. Where's the spoons?
What does that face mean?
It's not bad.
Well, you can take that home.
Look, little flour balls. That's good. We'll just throw more milk in it then when we go to
I don't
soften
think
it up.
that's the way flour works.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. If you want me to. You're the boss. Put this goop in something else.
How could two people be so ridiculous?
I cook all the time, but I don't cook this stuff. No, what are you putting it in there for?
There's a goop container.
Yeah, but I want to save it for later.
No, we're not using that.
I'm using that.
You can put it on your sandwich. Put it in the container.
Yeah, you might have to redo this here, mung, whatever this shit is.
Mung?
Well, look at it.
Why'd you call it mung?
Well, it looks like mung. Looks like somebody had a bad night at the bar.
Oh, we need a toaster. I'm bored.
I imagine people watching this are gonna get bored.
Here, watch this one. Get that puke out of there. Okay, dumpy. I'm tired. My back hurts. Dad, where's your hairnet?
What?
Where's your hairnet?
If you want to omit the hollandaise, you can.
I can call John. He probably knows how to make hollandaise.
You might.
Okay, you got my hairnet on.
Good.
Hello?
Ow! I'm trying to get Hess help. We used our Mayday. We need our phone a friend.
Oh, do you have a friend?
Hello?
Hey,
Hi. I'm hoping you can help. Do you know how to make hollandaise sauce? Hollandaise, is it called sauce?
I have never made it before. I have seen it made. I don't know. I know that it takes like 20 minutes or something to get it right.
So let's just heat
and
the
you
water.
have to constantly stir it. So maybe just reduce the temperature.
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you. Okay, let's try that. Let's just heat the water. I think
Then
just
just stir it for like half an hour.
just keep stirring it and we'll put the stupid eggs in there.
And when do we put the lemon in? Right, the last?
Who cares?
So we're starting all over again.
Yeah, Dad, because we didn't do it right.
Oh, but I'm hungry.
Milk, butter, a dash of nutmeg.
Is your show supposed to be like 4 hours or?
Oh, I broke the yolk.
Oh, how do we thicken this again? What the hell? What are you using for a thickening agent?
Ever heard of a whisk?
Here, give me that whiskey. I still have to pee. You gotta turn his mic off because he'll be peeing in the bathroom.
I really wish you didn't realize. Who's he talking to? I'm hungry. I hate cooking.
Why don't we just put some ham and sliced cheese in the sandwich and eat? I knew it was gonna be a problem as soon as we couldn't pronounce the freaking name. Okay, this is looking pretty good now. Something tells me that's not right either. What is this?
Salt.
Why is it a funny color?
It's pink Himalayan salt.
Oh, you guys can't buy this normal salt. Well,
What?
it says I can leave now. I had lunch. No wonder I'm so hungry.
Well, you can eat this when it's done.
I'm gonna stir this till I freaking get old here. Oh, hey, it's looking good. Keep stirring. No, it's getting too thick now.
Well, we can add more milk.
Did you keep adding flour or something? Why is it getting
Yeah,
thicker?
because it was really watery.
Do you not know when to quit? This hollandaise is just perfect.
We also need to cut the cheese. Don't.
Well, yeah, let's make a sandwich. Never mind this open face stuff now. I would think in France they're not so cheap. They give them one piece of bread. Oh, this is sourdough.
You were with me when I bought that, Dad.
Hear that, Savon? We shop at your
Restaurant.
Savon, we shop at your grocery store, and we would like to be sponsored.
Yeah, good luck on that.
Okay, let's stirry.
Should I pluggy down this here? This is gonna be delish. Oh,
It smells good.
yeah. I'm not even sure Murphy would eat this.
Ah! Look at the sauce.
Oh no!
I told you not to turn it off take it off the burner. Look at it. It's worse than before.
Oh, you okay?
We ruined this.
No.
Yes.
Okay, eggs are ready. We still haven't done the sandwiches.
Well, because the bread isn't ready.
Oh, Kara. Oh. That's. Oh no, and our eggs are getting hard now because the freaking bread's not ready.
Well, then pop the bread. Here.
No, we got it. Okay.
It's toasted.
Is it toasted?
Yeah.
Ouch. Okay, let's get going here before everything's burnt. Oh, it burnt. This is
The
burning
cancel button's not.
now. No, this is burning now. Hang on.
Cancel.
Oh, my asparagus is burning. Uh-oh.
Everything went from nothing to chaos.
Okay, hang on. I'm gonna put this on the plate.
Toast looks good.
The toast looks good.
Nice.
Nice. Toast looks good.
No, wait, don't.
What?
Oh yeah, you can do that.
Watch your hands and feet. That goes on the bread, right?
On the top, I think.
Oh, what happened to that?
Foldy.
Did you even taste this and see if it tastes good? Or?
Okay, put the eggy.
Oh, eggs are probably overcooked. Oh yeah, they're black now. Ah! Hot! Oh, look at this. Oh, look
Looks
at that.
good.
Lumpy. Oh, those are overcooked. Okay, sauce.
Just put a little bit drizzly.
Ooh, lumpy pumpy. Oh, ding. Look at that. It's good.
No, you have to use it.
Oh, that's disgusting. Well, here.
You need a spoon, like a ladle or...
I don't need a ladle. It'll stick to this. Ooh, that's chunky. Oh, this is burning still.
Hollandaise.
Oh, another piece of bread. You can have that because that's something I can eat. My eggs a little overcooked there, I think.
What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
It turned out asparagus. I didn't use the
Yeah, but
hollandaise.
Well, I gotta try the hollandaise. Don't be scared. No. No, pass on the hollandaise. Mung. Give me peanut butter.
I kind of want to eat this whole thing, actually.
Ooh, holy smokes, how much mustard did you put on that
Well,
bread?
I don't know. I like mustard.
Oh. Hey, awesome.
Wild child, fire starter.